Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is designed for the people, especially beginners who want to learn HTML. And I have mentioned practical examples which will definitely help you all in web designing. So guys, let's begin. What is HTML? HTML is short for Hypertext Markup Language. Now what is this hypertext and what is markup language? So hypertext is text which contains links to other text. It is called markup language because it consists of keywords, names and most importantly the tags. It is a standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed on web browser, and it was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. Next is how to create a web page using HTML. So there are 4 very simple steps. First of all, open Notepad or text edit, write HTML, then save the HTML page, and at last view the HTML page in your web browser. The most important thing here is that the file extension for an HTML file is always .htm or .html. Save the HTML page. Example, I have given test.html. Now let's see HTML tags. As I told you earlier that HTML is a markup language, so it makes use of various tags like HTML, head, title, body, p, h, br, etc. And these tags are enclosed in angular braces like this. So HTML supports following types of tags: opening, closing and empty tag. And we will learn these tags one by one in the coming lectures. Let's now have a look on the basic structure of HTML. So this is the basic structure of HTML, and yes, this code is must for every web page to have. Okay, so I'm explaining a simple program. So I'm opening Notepad, and yes, this is Notepad. I'm maximizing it. Yes. So I'll write the code, the basic structure of HTML document here. HTML, and this is the root element of an HTML page. I am closing this. Yes, this is its closing tag. Okay, /HTML. Now after HTML, I'll write head tag. head, and this head element contains the titles and metadata of a web document. Moreover, the head tag contains information about the web. Okay, so it will be containing the title of the page. I'll show you. So I'm closing this head /head HEAD. Now I'll mention here the title tag. This title tag contains the web page title. Here I have closed title, and after closing the head tag, we have body. The body tag contains the content of the web page. This body element contains the information that you want to display on the web page. Here I have closed the body tag. So this is the structure, basic structure of HTML document. Let's write something in this. So here I am giving the title first. Let's say title is Sam. You can write anything. And the body. In body we write the content of the web page. So I'm writing here, this is HTML. Okay. Let's save this HTML page. File, save. And I told you that the file extension for an HTML file is .htm or .html. Okay. So I'm going to save this file as first.html. Desktop and save. Okay. So I saved file on the desktop, and my default browser is Google Chrome. Here is the file. First, see, SAM is the title and this is HTML is the content. See here, SAM title and this is HTML is the content. Okay, here. So in this way we can create a simple. Now headings in HTML. Here we have 6 heading tags, H1 to H6. H1 is representing most important heading and H6 is representing least important heading. You will get a better understanding of all these tags by this example. So here we have the basic structure of HTML document. And now I am writing here first heading, H1, which is the most important heading. I am closing the H1. Otherwise the whole document will be printed in the form of heading, so it is necessary to close this. Next is H2 and I am writing the same line, same content. This is HTML, and here also I am closing this H2. Then I am copying it, copy paste. This will save my time as well as yours. So it is H3. Again the content is same. You can write anything. H4. Then we have 2 more headings, H5 and H6. So it is H5, closing H5, and the last is, which is the least important heading, H6. H1 is the most important heading and H6 is the least important heading. So these are the 6 heading tags, and I am saving this code. Save. Let's see this. I saved it on the desktop. First root HTML. Here it is first. Double click it, and now this is the browser. It's taking time, sorry for this. Yes, here you can see the title is SAM, and this is the first heading. This is HTML. This is the first heading. This is second heading. This is third heading. This is fourth, fifth, and the last 6th least important heading. So you can see all the 6 headings. The first most important heading is largest in size, and the least important heading is the smallest in size. You can see here. So this is the simple code, simple example showing the usage of heading tags. The next topic is comments in HTML. Comments. Comments are ignored by the browser, and the user must add comments into the HTML code because it helps in better understanding of the code, and also it increases the code readability. Let's see how we can add comments in HTML page. So here we have Notepad, and I am opening the same code that I have written. Yes, this is the code. Here I am adding a comment. The comment is, this is strong heading. You can add any other comment, but just keep in mind the syntax. Okay, now I'm going to save it. Save. And the name is comment.html or .htm. Let's save this. Now I'm going to show you this in the browser. It is here, comment. Double click it, and this is here. Here you can see that the comments are not in the page because the comments are ignored by the browser. The next topic is HTML fonts. But before starting this, I must tell you that this will not be used anymore because this has been removed in HTML5, so it is recommended to use CSS properties. Now, what is font? Fonts are the style of writing, and there are thousands of fonts like Times New Roman, Cooper, Arial, etc. Fonts make the website more user friendly, and font tag has three attributes: size, face, and color. Attributes are used to set various properties of an element. So here we have three attributes: size, face, and color. Next is base font. Base font tag sets default font size, color, typeface for any part of the document. But this is not supported in HTML5. Although this font tag has been removed, but still I am showing you an example. So this is the basic structure of HTML document. Let's start writing. This is our body tag. Now I am writing font. This is font tag, and the attribute is size. Size is equals to maybe 4, and the color maybe red. Whatever you want to write, you can write here. And the faces, let's suppose Forte. Okay, you can write Times Roman, you can write anything. Next, I am writing the text that I am going to display on the web browser. So I have written hey there, and let's close this tag, save this, save. Font.html or font.htm. Now let's view this page in web browser. So here it is, font. Double click it. See, the font color is red and the style, the face is Forte. Let's make some changes. I am writing the title, font example, and I am saving this, and the title will be, you can see the font example. This is the title, font example, and this is the text. Now I'm changing size maybe 40 pixels. Save this. See, refresh this page and you can see the size has been changed to 40 pixels. Now again I am changing something. I am changing the face, maybe Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Again save this page and reopen it in the browser and refresh this. See, you can see the font. Hey there, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. We have completed the introduction to HTML, basic structure of HTML, how to create a web page using HTML, and HTML tags, comments in HTML, HTML fonts. But this is not over, because we have so many topics to cover. Like we have marquee tags, we have line break tag, we have paragraph tag, we have center tag, horizontal lines, and many more. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and press